Hi, Michael from Masseuse Massage. I'm here today to talk to you about the awesome Pinnacle Plus massage chair and how to use the amazing AirSpa functions that come along with the chair. Now the AirSpa is basically a whole set of air cushions applying pressure to different parts of your body to relieve aches and pains. You have plenty of control over those air cushions. You have this button here that's called full air. You can basically turn the air cushions on and off using that button. Once they're on, you have the option of using just the arms and the shoulders, or just the legs and the feet. And also when those are all engaged, you can adjust the intensity. So you have 3 intensity settings: full, medium, and light. You can pretty much tailor the AirSpa massage to your individual needs. There's even this amazing reflexology roller that comes underneath the soles of your feet. It's something you don't want to miss out on. You can adjust the speed of that using this roller button here too. It's an amazing feature and I encourage you to have a play around and find the perfect fit for yourself. So that's the AirSpa massage functions on the Pinnacle Plus massage chair. We hope you love it.